more quickly. Consistent business process work is done the same way across the company. Better data utilization. The company uses its data more effectively. Higher ROI on ERP system. The company gets more value and profit from the ERP system. Challenges in KM for ERP. Resistant to knowledge sharing. Employees may not want to share information. Lack of KM strategy. No clear plan for managing knowledge. Data overload. Too much information which can be confusing. Technology integration issues. Problem connecting different systems or tools. Cultural barriers. Company culture may not support sharing or teamwork. Security and access concerns. Worries about data safety and who can see strong management support. Top managers should support and encourage knowledge sharing. Clear KM policies. The company should have clear rules about how knowledge is managed and shared. User friendly system. The ERP system should be easy to use. Continuous training. Employees should receive regular training, intensive for sharing knowledge. Reward employees who share useful information. Regular system updates. Keep the ERP system updated and improved. Future trends in KM and ERP. AI driven knowledge system using artificial intelligence to manage and organize knowledge automatically. Manage machine learning analytics. System learn from data and help find patterns or make predictions. Cloud based ERP solution. ERP system that work online instead of only on company computers. Intelligent decision support. System that manages make smarter decisions using data. Predictive knowledge models using data to predict future problems or opportunities. Digital info transformation support helping companies move to modern digital systems and technologies. Summary. KM enhance ERP effectiveness. Managing knowledge makes the ERP system work better. Support software engineering processes. Help people build and improve software correctly. Improve organizational learning. The company learns from the experience and becomes smarter. Enable better decision making. Manager can make better decision using the right information. Increased ERP success rates. ERP projects are more likely to succeed. Essential for modern enterprises. It is very important for today's businesses. Conclusion. K- KM is critical in software engineering. Managing knowledge is very important when developing software. ERP system rely on effective knowledge use. ERP works only if the company uses information properly. Combining KM and ERP adds value. When we use KM and ERP together, the company gets more benefit. Organization gaining competitive advantage. The company becomes stronger than competitors. Continuous improvement is key. The company must always keep improving. KM driven ERP ensures sustainability. Using knowledge in ERP helps the business grow and stay successful for a long time. Thank you. Any queries, sir?
Respective session, sir, over to you.
Is it all audible?
Is it audible?
Okay, sir. Any queries, sir?
Okay, Shiri. Good presentations.
Thank
But
you,
I think
sir.
you have presented the paper as a review, right? You don't
Yes,
have any
sir.
results.
What, sir?
You have presented your review paper, right?
Yes, sir.
Because in your PPT we haven't seen any results, right?
No. Yes, sir.
So you have implemented something,
No, sir.
or
No.
just you have collected the information?
Just collected an information, sir.
Only collected the information.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me how knowledge is impact while we are developing any sort of softwares? Because
Repeat it
nowadays
again, sir.
everywhere we are going to use the AI, right?
Yes, sir.
So without having the knowledge of coding and other things, the person can develop the software.
Yes, sir.
Right? So how knowledge impact in this generation? Okay.
Today,
Yes. Please.
uh, today knowledge is available instantly because hereafter AI only doing all the things. So, so we can.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, madam. Over to you.
Sir. Did you come across any ERP software, Sherin? You were saying about ERP
Repeat
softwares
it.
are there.
What is
Uh,
ma'am?
you have said that you have ERP softwares are there. You
Yes.
told. Did you come across any ERP software?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Oracle, SAP.
Okay, that back in using that. I'm asking any softwares did you see somewhere else in the office or any names of the ERP software? Just go through what all the softwares are there. Some example, take some example and go for a survey and connect with the literature reviews. What are all the ERP softwares are available? Compare. Try
Uh,
to study two or three and then make a like a comparative study. Okay.
there are many
All the best.
ERP software. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying. Did you come across? Do you know any names? Any? Did you see?
Microsoft, SAP, Oracle, Workday.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sharin ma'am, for your presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Fajila ma'am, are you ready to present your paper?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I am Faujala Farveen. I am pursuing my BSc Computer Science at Rajeswari College of Arts and Science for Women. Today, I am here to present my project Cardiac Disease Prediction using Machine Learning. This project focuses on predicting heart disease using machine learning to support early diagnosis and assist doctors. Problem statement: in the world, heart disease is one of the leading cause of death. So I done a prediction model to save human life using machine learning. Objective means the purpose of the project. So the objective of the project is the heart disease is easily predicted by machine learning model. What I done? At last I will show my prototype. Why machine learning? Because it analyze large data set. In a data set we have lakhs of data. We can find the specific information using machine learning algorithm to find specific data. and it reduces human error and helps decision making for doctors. Data set used. I extract data set from Kaggle for my prediction model. Data pre-processing means it is a ELT process. ELT process means nothing but extract, load and transform. Extract is a collection of data. Load is handling missing value, duplicate value and make them collection of data into consistent data. Transform means a collection of data transform into visualization. Okay, this is the pre-processing of data, but the process of pre-processing is split into two types, training and testing data. For example, if we are inverting a robot, we have to feed the data, but the robot wants to understand the data, right? And here the process we use testing and training the data. Machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithm. These types of the algorithm are used in my prediction model. Machine learning algorithm is a mathematical formula, the algorithm we use in our prediction model that enables to identify the system. Model training data feed into machine learning algorithm. The model learns relationship between the input and output features and it adjusts the parameter to reduce prediction error and trained model saved for real-time use. Model evaluation is nothing but calculate accuracy score using conversion matrix. It tells true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. Real-time implementation tells that if the patient has the heart disease or not. By the prediction model, it will generate the result. Now I will show my prototype, sir. This is my prototype. I extract the data from Kaggle and I did predicting model at first. Predicting cardiac disease risk using machine learning. It tells about age, gender, blood pressure, cholesterol level, exercise habit, etc. This will predict the patient has heart disease, what kind of stage it might be. Next, visualize numerical features distribution, used histogram. And then visualize categorical features distribution using histogram. Next, using conversion matrix. It tells what the stage of heart disease by visualize. Then plot ROC curve. It tells accuracy, precision, recall, F1 at last, inflated features used to analyze topmost feature coefficient. This is my implementation. In future, I will develop the full prediction model. Now let's go to our slide. Tools and technologies. Python here we used as a programming language. Then Google Colab here we used as a development platform. And then Pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Seaborn all are used as a libraries. System architecture is very simple process. First, the user will enter the patient information and it will process the data and it goes to machine learning model and finally it will generate the result visually. Advantages of the system that we can easily predict the heart disease before it will goes to serious condition. And we can implement this machine learning model in hospital database. So my conclusion is machine learning is very useful for predicting heart disease. It helps doctor to detect problems early. In future improvements, this technology can save lives and improve the overall healthcare system. Thank you for your time and attention. And I am ready to answer your questions. Any queries?
Yes, thank you, ma'am, for your presentation. Please let me know which machine learning algorithm you have been used for training purpose.
Come again, sir.
Is it audible? Which machine learning algorithm you have used for training?
Logistic regression. Sorry, sir. Logistic
Logistic
regression.
regressions.
Linear regression.
So that means you have worked on a label data, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the source of your data sets? I think you have used the data from the Kaggle, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the size of your data sets? How many attributes are there?
304 KB, sir.
Okay. 300 KB attributes or
Yes,
records.
sir. Yes, sir.
Records, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
But
on
in my prototype, I only show 5 rows of.
how many epochs you required while training the models? How many epochs you have performed?
Come again, sir.
How many epochs you have performed?
I can't
What is the
understand,
accuracy
sir.
you got in terms of percentage? How much accuracy? Okay, anyways, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you, madam. Please.
Fajit, did you understand the question whichever is raised by Jagdish sir?
What, ma'am?
The question whichever is raised by Jagdish sir, did you understand the question? You said that you have prototype, you have given, you have chosen 5 records, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the percentage? How many records you trained? You said two division is there, na? Testing and training.
Yes, ma'am.
How many records used for training? How many records used for testing? Do you understand the question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ah,
I use basic data visualization, ma'am.
yeah, it's right, ma. The thing is, you have shown us 5 records, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many records you have given as a training data set? For example, I have 4 records. If these are the measurements for this age, this is the measurements for. I can say that this dimensions are there means it is a heart disease. This is the data you need to given for a training, isn't it? And after testing, how it is predicted? What is the accuracy? Okay, 5 records I have given. It identified all the 5 records, 100% of accuracy. No, it identifies only 4 records. Then it is 80% of accuracy. Then that is the question. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
just
Totally
you.
1,000 records, ma'am.
Yeah.
But it have some errors, so I just choose top 5 data only.
Okay, you have given only 5 records.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, accuracy. How much you got? You said na confusion matrix is say ROC. You have drawn the curve. Isn't it?
Ma'am,
Okay,
come
try to
again.
yeah. See, you said that ROC, you have shown the curve, na? So what is the accuracy you have done? What is the percentage of accuracy? It is 100% accuracy, 80%. That needs to be mentioned there. Okay. All
Okay,
the best
ma'am.
for your upcoming research. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Fazila ma'am, for your presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Kritika ma'am, are you ready to present your paper?
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
May I start?
Yes, yes, you can start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kritika and I am a student of Rajeswari College of Arts and Science for Women, and I am pursuing a third BCom. And my topic of research is a consumer satisfaction on public distribution system in Vanur Taluk. It is basically a research of how the people are satisfied on the commodities which is distributed by the government, or they are not satisfied. First, I'll say about the abstract. PDS is considered as a principal instrument in the hands of state government for providing safety net to the poor against the spiraling rise in prices of essential commodities. Public distribution system is a poverty alleviation program and contributes towards the social welfare of the people. Essential commodities like rice, wheat, sugar, kerosene and oil are supplied to the public under PDS at reasonable price. The present paper aims at identifying the factors which affects consumer satisfaction towards public distribution system in India. Vanur Taluk is selected for the study and sample sizes or 80 are taken for study. The variables chosen for the study are subjected to factor analysis and chi-square is applied to find out the impact of these factors on customer satisfaction. Introduction. Public distribution system which has been licensed to distribute essential commodities by order issued under section 3 of Essential Commodities Act to ration card holders under the targeted public distribution system. It is nothing but it was developed by the government of Tamil Nadu to provide commodities in a reasonable price to the poor people. Next, shall I go to objectives?
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, your PPTs are static. It is not moving actually. Can you please change the PPTs?
Objectives are
No, now introduction is visible. Now
Okay.
objective, yeah.
The main objective of my presentation is to study the opinion of consumers regarding the functions of PDS, to identify the performance of PDS in the study area, to offer suitable suggestion for the improvement of PDS, to study the relationship between the age of the respondents and the quality of the commodities issued in PDS. Review of literature. I have collected a more review, but I have presented only two. The two reviews are one about the Ahmed Kritika at 2017 said that using propensity score matching methods, I found that while the PDS has a poor record on reaching the poor, conditional on having access to PDS, the subsidy is entirely consumed. Moreover, I found that food subsidies going through the PDS exert a multiplier effect on quantity consumed. These findings points at the revaluation of the impact of PDS with respect to its main objective, which is food security. I purpose a new poverty measure integrating the food content of poverty lines and showing that relative to the poverty line, PDS has benefited the poor. Next, Someshwar Srivatsav, 2020, he said that the government of India is making frantic efforts to tackle the food security issue. The government has more than 300 billion hungry and malnourished people. On the other hand, thousands of ton food grains is rooting in government granaries. There is certainly a management problem. There is requisite policy deficit also. The government is trying hard to address both. Scholars and social activists are suggesting universal public distribution system. Methodology is this is an empirical study. I have collected both primary data and I have used secondary data for this presentation. The information I have collected is from the consumer of the public distribution system in Vanur Taluk. The questionnaire has been prepared to know about the opinion about the location, time consuming, commodities received and the quality of the commodities received in PDS. Each questions have been framed in the positive note. The response have been scaled at 5 scales. Hypothesis of the study. Hypothesis that is H0 and H1 hypothesis. If there is a relationship between the two topic I have compared, it will be H naught. If there is no relationship means that is H naught. If there is a relationship means H1. I have used two tools, that is percentage analysis and chi-square. The first question I have prepared in the questionnaire was the age of the respondents. Next, age of the respondents, I have collected from 80 respondents. From that 80 respondents, 9% of the respondents are belong to the age group of 18, and 44 respondents are belong to the age group of 18 to 25. 18% are belong to the age group of 26 and 40, and 29% are belong to the age group of above 40. Gender of the respondents I have collected from 80 respondents, and from that 41% of male and 59% of female. Monthly income of the respondents, while I am collecting from 80 respondents, 17% of the respondents belong to below 7,000 income category, and 39% of respondents belong to 7,000 to 15,000 income category, and 20% of the respondents belong to 15,000 to 20,000 income category, and 24% of the respondents belong to above 20,000 income category. Education level, while coming to education level of the respondents, from the chart itself, we know that I have collected 36% of respondents from primary education, 16 respondents are from higher secondary education, 8% are from technical education, and 40% are from degree. Commodities of PDS. Mostly in PDS, they issue wheat, sugar, pulses, kerosene, and rice. While coming to the collection of data, 72.5% of the respondents are saying that they are not receiving a wheat and kerosene, while 27.5% respondents are purchased. Out of 80 respondents, 100% of respondents, that is the full persons, are receiving rice, pulses, and sugar. Distance to their residence to PDS. While I'm collecting to this information, 37% of respondents are near to the PDS of half kilometer, 19% are less than 1 kilometer, 20% of respondents are less than 2 kilometer, and 24% are above 2 kilometers. Opinion about their location. While I am asking about opinion about their location of PDS, while I'm asking about the people for their opinion about their location, 8% of respondents said that they are highly satisfied with the location of the PDS, while 71% said that they are satisfied. But 12% of respondents said they are dissatisfied with the location, and 3% of the respondents said they are highly dissatisfied. While I'm asking why they are dissatisfied, they said as the reason for dissatisfaction with the location is 42% of people said the location is unhygiene location, and 42% of people said that is not suitable for women. Commodity availability in time. I asked them if the commodity is availability for them in time, but they said that 81% said yes, they are getting the commodity on time, but 19% of the respondents are saying that they did not get the commodities at time. Time consumed for purchasing a commodity. From the time consumed, the people said that 25% of people saying that they will receive the commodity in half an hour, but 20% of people say half an hour to 1 hour they will purchase, and 10% 1 hour to 2 hour, and 45% of people saying that they will wait to purchase for about 2 hours. Reason for taking more time. When I ask why they are taking more time to purchase, 59% of people are saying that the depot holder is not opening the PDS on all working days. 49% are saying that there is a irregular short time. 56% are saying that there is a shortage of stock. 61% of saying that overcrowding. 51% of respondents are saying that preference to know that they are giving them products to only the people whom they know. 61% is said there is no queuing system, and 44% is said there is inefficiency of depot holders. Convenience of working time of PDS. While I ask about their convenience, 71% said that working time of the PDS is convenient for them, while 29% said that the working time is non-convenient for them. Properties used. While they ask about the properties, what are the properties are used in their public distribution system, they said that 94% people have seen the standard weights, 69% of people said they have seen electronic weighting scales, 100% of people said they have seen the fingerprint reader and smart card reader. 63% of respondents says that they have seen information display board. Information display board on notice board. I asked that if the information is displayed on the notice board, 55% of 52% of respondents said date and hours of opening is displayed on the notice board. 36% of respondents said that contact number of depot holders is on the display board. 56% said helpline and complaint number is on the display board. 52.5% of the respondents say that stock of commodities is on the display board. I asked who are all receiving the full quota of commodities from PDS. 80% of people said that they are receiving the full quota, but 20% of people are saying that they are not receiving the full quota of commodities. Then I asked them reasons for not getting full quota. While I am asking, 94% of people are saying that supplier did not reach the PDS is the reason for not getting, while 69% are saying that lack of information is the reason. 94 respondents agreed to finish the full quota commodities. 37.5% of the respondents agreed that ration dealer refused to give full quota is the reason for not getting full quota of commodities, while 44% of the respondents said black marketing is the reason, and 100% of the people are saying that heavy rush is the reason for not getting full commodities. Details of commodities in PDS. I asked them that the quality of the commodities is satisfied for them. Details of quality of commodities in PDS, but 4% are said they are highly satisfied with the quality of the commodities. 75% said that they are not satisfied with the commodities. 17.5% said they are neutral in the satisfaction, but 2.5% said that they are dissatisfied, and 1% said that they are highly dissatisfied. Purchase of commodities from the PDS. I asked the people if they are purchasing a commodities from the PDS. For that, 87.5% of the respondents said yes, that they are purchasing, but 12.7% of the respondents says that they are not purchasing. Then I asked about the behavior of the PDS dealer. For the behavior of the PDS dealer, they said 19% of the respondents said the behavior of the PDS dealer is good. 76% said that their behavior is satisfied, but 5% said the behavior of the PDS dealer is bad. Overall dissatisfaction of the local PDS, I asked, some 82.5% said that they are satisfied, but 17.5% said that they are dissatisfied. Then I asked for the reason for dissatisfaction against the PDS. For that, 21% of the respondents dissatisfied about the PDS because the PDS is not opening on all working days. 21% said that the shop time is inconvenient. 15% said that the adequate and irregular distribution, and 43% said that there is a heavy rush. Then there are three card types, that is one AAY, PHH and NPHH. While coming to AAY, 6 members have given data about the AAY. From that, I noticed that 1% of the respondents receive wheat. Another 99% does not receive wheat. 80% of the respondent, 100% of the respondent receive pulses, sugar, rice and oil. 83% of the respondent did not receive kerosene. While coming to PHH card, 58 members have been recorded. In that, 29% received wheat and 71% did not receive wheat. 100% received sugar, pulses, and rice, oil. 31% did not receive the 69% did not receive kerosene. And while coming to NPHH, 16 members have been responded. In that, 25% of the respondents received wheat and other 75% did not receive wheat. 100% of people receive sugar, pulses, rice, and oil. While coming to kerosene, 13% people only receiving and 81 purple people does not receive the kerosene. Then the next is chi-square analysis. I have used chi-square analysis about age and quality of the commodities. While I'm coming to this, as I already said, null hypothesis, if there is no significant relationship between the age and the commodities issue, is a null hypothesis. If there is a relationship between the age and the quality of the commodities, it is an alternative hypothesis. While I'm doing the chi-square analysis, the result has came that there is a relationship between the age and the relationship age and the quality of the commodities in PDS. And the suggestion that I give to the PDS are improving storage capacity. Suggestion, I'll say that improving storage capacity, it is known that while improving the storage capacity, the people may able to buy the products whenever they need, and they may receive the full quota of commodities. And I say that end-to-end computerization as another suggestion. While the data are computerized, it may be useful for the government and for the PDS dealer to know who are the people have buy the product and who are the people does not buy the product. Then while coming to the conclusion, PDS is one of the largest food security programs in the world, which primarily aims to improve food and nutrition security of the socially and economically vulnerable sections of the society. PDS must rapidly reinvent itself to successfully alleviate hunger among billions of poor. In particular, it needs to transform its rigid planning dynamic demand with PDS is a scheme that has become the lifeline for millions, and its role was clearly highlighted during the pandemic. But there is a lot of improve to make the system efficient. Public distribution system is the important outlet of the public distribution system, through which basic and essential commodities are distributed to the weaker section and the society at affordable price. Thank you for your cooperation, and now I'm ready to answer the questions you asked for me.
Yes, Kritika, nice presentations.
Thank you.
Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That one thing I have been observed in your presentations, right? You have collected the 80 samples, right?
Yes, sir.
A lot many things you have done in a manual platform. Actually, as you are belonging to the commerce background, right?
Yes, sir.
So you haven't aware about the technologies like AI, ML, right? So if you involve all of these things, if you use the technology like AI and ML, so you will get the results, whatever results you have taken from the Excel sheets, right?
Yes.
You have used the Excel formulas and all, right, for getting the results. So if you will study about the technologies, right, if you calculate AI and ML in your system, so you will get the results in a very quick time, right? One more thing which I have observed. So taking only 80 samples, and on the 80 samples you are predicting the results, the count is very small, right? You have to increase the count, else you can find out the these data which is readily available on the Kaggle or a different sources. If the data is readily available, you can use that data for your perception and predictions, so that will be more useful for you, right?
Yes, sir.
So that you can think in this line of actions actually. That is my suggestion.
Okay, sir.
Right? Yeah. And you have taken the what we can say, you have taken the samples from the what we can say, economically backward peoples, right? So
Yes.
at the same line, you can collect the datas, or we can say collect the feedbacks from the vendors itself, because they are also struggling with some sort of a points. So you can take the feedback from them as well, and it will be very more useful for predicting the results, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Kritika, it's a really a wonderful presentation, Kritika. The effort you have taken here is really appreciable. And extend your work. That's it. Use the
Yes.
technology and extend the work.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kritika ma'am, for your presentation. Next, anybody ready to present your paper? Priya ma'am, are you ready to present your paper?
Yes, sir.
Priya ma'am? Priya ma'am, we are sharing your slides. You can just start your presentation. Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am?
Hello.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
you
you're
can start your
audible.
presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, good afternoon, good afternoon. Please go ahead. You can start your presentation.
Today, okay. Today I am going to present my paper on multimedia system and designing video. I am Priyadashi, first BSc Computer Science at Rajeswari College. In this presentation, I will explain video concept, digital video, video standard format, and application in multimedia system. Introducing to multimedia.